What's up, everyone? We're going to do a comparison of the 2025 Mosaic Football Blaster boxes. On my left, the blue boxes, these are going to be from Target, which will run $34.99. And on my right, it's going to be the Walmart version, which is $34.87. What's the biggest difference in these? Besides the price, absolutely nothing. Blaster exclusives for the Mosaic product is going to be the Mosaic Orange, regardless of where you buy them. So wherever you can find them, check it out. But at Shields, these are actually available for $29.99 and available online as well. These actually dropped a couple weeks ago. Just kind of had them on my shelf, just waiting to do a video and drop it and open it. But what are we going to get in each blaster boxes? You're going to get 6 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. I flipped it, but yeah, 6 and 6. What are the biggest chases? The stained glass and micro mosaic. The micro mosaic cards, they look pretty nice. I have a buddy that pulled one from the Target boxes, but you know, it's the same on both. No difference. Biggest difference is the color of the box. So if you want to rip into this, wherever you can get it cheaper and wherever you could find it. So, all right. So we'll battle it out. Which one is more luck? The Target ones or the Walmart ones for today? Okay. I'm gonna do the Walmart ones first. So with this product, at least, you know, they kind of did the ornamental boxes. I actually got a couple on hand still that I haven't ripped. I'm actually gonna save those for like December and battle it between Donruss holiday tins and then the Mosaic ornamental boxes. But chrome cards, foil cards I should say, all the ones that have been released before have been kind of the paper cards. So we'll start seeing these, Phoenix, we'll start seeing Phoenix, and then we'll see Prism, etc. All right, Walmart ones first. For me, these are fun rips. They're a little bit on the pricier side. You are just chasing those micro mosaics and the stained glass. But typically, these cards are clean-ish. All right, so this is actually the first time I'm opening Mosaic. The design's okay, not bad. Dion Branch on the green. And let's do this too so that we can see it. If you want to see the sides, what you can get right here. So we actually did not get any rookie. Oh, we did. JT Tuamoloa. And I was just going to rip one and one, but I was like, let's just do both. All right. Derrick Henry on the green. Touchdown Masters, the big head ones. These are kind of cool looking. All right. But like with any product, retail, if you get lucky and you get those case hits, you're good. But usually, you might get smoked. Okay, so we got a Jalen Rookie Green. That's a pretty cool card. And then we got a Josh Hines Allen. RJ Harvey rookie. Go Broncos. Ashton Jenny rookie. So we got touched Calvin Johnson touchdown masters. And I do not know what variation that is. It's not numbered. But that's cool. I kind of like these touchdown masters, kind of the big hits. They look cool. Jamar Chase. Evan Williams. Myles Garrett. Justin Jefferson notoriety. These cards actually looked really good last year. I was a fan of them. Tony Dorsett. One of the best running backs back in the day for the Cowboys and the Denver Broncos. Yeah, pretty much you're looking for those hits. And it's cool to see these old school guys too. Okay. Make some room. All right, second blaster. Warren Sapp. So he's a coach for the Buffs right now, and his thing is he always kicks the pylons before the game. RJ Harvey on the green. Thurman Thomas in a Dolphins uniform. Brett Favre. Bo Nix base. My son's going to like that Bo Nix base. Michael Singletary. Yeah, these came out a couple weeks ago. All right, so we got our silver. Oronde Gadsden, the second. Travion Henderson, rookie. Another Michael Singletary. Tyler will put all the rookie quarterbacks. Hey, that's a cool card. Cam Ward on the green. And then a Terrell Davis on the green. Epic Performers. I'm going to sleeve that Cam Ward up real quick. Number 1 pick. Jackson Dart's the QB to chase right now. He's having a pretty good year. Matthew Golden. Elevate CeeDee Lamb. I don't think... Oh, I should have read before I started ripping. Let's say that's a honeycomb. Yep. All right, last pack for the Walmarts. Graham Mertz, Torrey Horton. All right, that's going to do it for Walmart. Can we get some better luck with Target? So these are clean cards. Pretty much any chrome cards, they look nice. And for the most part, I would say the quality control on these. I don't want to jinx myself, but I'm not seeing too many print lines right now. Or dimples. Alright, so a little bit of retail chasing. For hobby-wise, I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but I was passing on Absolute Hobby. Things have changed for me personally, but no hobby of Mosaic, no hobby of Absolute. I may mess with some hobby for Phoenix, personally. All right. Jamal Lewis. Michael Irving. Look at that card. It looks pretty cool. Eric Allen. Cam. Donovan Azuruka. Michael Vick. Antonio Gates. So Devontae Adams on the elevate. So we got a variation, Cam. Yep, so see that V, variation rookie. So at least last year with Prism, it was always the silvers that were variations. These ones are just base. Brock Bowers. Kenneth Walker on the silver. Elik Ayumaner. Shadur Sanders rookie base. Being a homer, I haven't pulled too many Travis Hunter cards. Dylan Gabriel base. Jordan Love. Okay, last pack of that first blaster. Target. AJ Brown, Tommy Malote, Jarquez Hunter, Notoriety, Matthew Golden, Tank, Joe Green. Davis, CeeDee Lamb on the green. Lots of base. Tiki, Tyler, Tyrone Tracy on the green. Jack Beck Beach. OBJ. Come on, Micro Mosaic. Stained glass. If you haven't seen those cards, check them out. They do look very nice. Case hits, though. All right. My fantasy football running back that tore it up last week. Notoriety, Tyler Warren. German games. Hover it on the green. Elevate Luther Burden the third. On the pink. James Cook. Joe Theismann. Look at that. Okay, 2 packs left. Nothing crazy. Come on, last pack magic. Marion Hampton. On the green. Coaches cards. Charles Etienne Jr. Randy Bradshaw. Bronco legend. All right, so that kind of wraps it up. So with this rip, I mean, these are the same products, different price, different stores, but overall, it was a fun rip. We didn't pull anything crazy. But would I buy Mosaic Blasters again? Personally, I won't. You know, like I mentioned, things have changed for me personally, so I'm going to do, you know, maybe 2 to 3 blasters of each retail product that comes out. I'm not going to go heavy. Went heavy last year, different story this year. But it's a fun product for the price, you know, $35 to pull some chrome cards. It's fun, but for me personally, like I mentioned, 2 to 3 for each product. And I kind of like doing these battles. It's fun, but nothing too crazy. We did not pull any of the big hitters out of this product, which would be the stained glass for the micro mosaics, but we didn't even get a chance to get autos. They're in here. So, you know, I didn't have the luck today. Maybe you have the luck. If you like this product, try it out. Available at Target.com, Walmart.com, and Shields. Right now, Shields has the best price, $29.99. But, hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Like it, comment, and subscribe for more rips. Until the next one.